Okay. Yeah, I just messed up the time on this Sharpie work. I'm gonna try and redeem myself with this other half. Are you defrosting the curry? Which curry? Stephen Curry or? Sorry. Are those hash browns?
Yeah.
Have we ever had those? Oh, okay. Can I get up? Alright, my dude. Looking tight. What? Okay. Okay. Softball. Oh god. Overfilled it. Overfilled it. Oh god. Oh god, my Sharpie work is... Oh no, my Sharpie work. I might have to do that after, so...
I just want to see you strip.
What?
Oh, sorry. It's a different song. Don't mind me.
Oh my god. Yeah, guys. This is coming especially. This shoe is getting a lot more clean. So I think if it's probably gonna be one of my best restorations if I'm able to bring these back to life. So, remember, I use this shoe cleaner. It's not even a shoe cleaner. It's just water with some toothpaste. And then, of course, we got soft sole right here. So. Okay, so I got a Q-tip right here, and I'm just gonna like extra white spots. I'm just gonna where the shoe cleaner still is. I'm just gonna pick it, clean it. That part's not really getting clean, if you know what I mean. So, and I did not mean for that to rhyme. It's not getting clean, if you know what I mean. Okay, look at that. Look at how much dirt I collected from that. So, yeah. Okay. this shoe, I'm gonna go over to the next one. So I'm gonna leave that right there, and I'm gonna have to go back to this one because this one is not clean at all, even though I already did this one. Oh, maybe I should use a soft sole. How about we have a combination of both?
When did you cook this rice?
What?
When did you cook that rice?
Yesterday.
You're gonna need to cook more.
Yeah, I will. What time is it?
I'm gonna cook more at least. I'm gonna cook more at least.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
That looks. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ah, my eye. Oh god, I got a shoe leader in my eye. Stop it. That's not funny.
It's funny you caught it on tape.
Yeah, I know. Okay. This is embarrassing. With your mom. I don't know about it. Oh, I did it. Oh, I got it all over my hand.
Nothing can stop him. He got it on his hand.
Yeah, I'm starting to think of that Spanish version.
Oh yeah, the Spanish one is always stuck in my head now. I listened, because ever since I listened to it for the first time, I was like, man, I think I like the Spanish version more.
That's why people like Despacito, so. Even though we can't understand it. Despacito. Is it Louis or Louis?
Probably Louis.
Or Louis.
Probably Louis.
Louis Fonsi? Or is it Fonsi?
I'm gonna guess Fonzie.
Fonsi and Daddy Yankee.
Yeah.
But isn't a Yankee supposed to be someone from America?
Daddy!
But isn't a Yankee supposed to be someone from America?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but exactly. He has Justin Bieber.
True, true. Okay. So yeah, guys, here are the shoes. Pretty clean. I definitely bought these back to life. Wait. That's trash. Yeah, so there it is, the final result of the shoes. Now we're gonna go into the fourth part? Let's see.